Here's a demonstration of me showing the top two, which is the most traditional felt pens that you would see in the market, the Studio Series Micro line, the lip pen, as well as the two Yookers that I have gotten. And they all write very well. I could tell that the two top ones are a little bit more smoother to write compared to the bottom two, which are from Yookers, but it doesn't really bother me as much because I really like the ink of a fountain pen, and it's just amazing how you can use fountain pen ink with felt tips. I want to show you guys what it looks like up close. You could tell there's some opacity on the top part of the hello in the third line, and I want to show you how smudgy it is. The ones on the top are not smudging as easily compared to the other two, but that is expected since it's fountain pen ink.